Whiskey maturation is a mysterious process. It will never be fully understood, which is why it's still so fascinating. Nevertheless, our pursuit of knowledge and an understanding of the nature of wood and its properties continues to be an integral part of our everyday work in whiskey. The more we know about the oak we use, the more equipped we are to make better whiskeys. From day one at Westland, we have insisted on high-quality oak for our casks, treated properly from forest to filling. In our pursuit, we're joined by our partners at Independent Stave Company. Deep in the heart of the Ozark Mountains, their team of expert engineers, craftsmen, and coopers make for us some of the finest oak casks in the world. At Westland, we use only slow-growth oak and air-dried staves to make our casks. Slow-growth oak gives us a less dense wood to work with, one that, as a result, has larger pores. This suits our primary intention in maturation, to oxidize and develop the spirit, not extract huge amounts of oak flavor. The oak staves we use are also air-dried for either 18 or 24 months, rather than kiln-dried. The natural forces of rain, sun, heat, and cold are necessary to slowly break down many compounds within the wood, particularly the tannins. It's often said that 70 to 80% of flavor in whiskey comes from the cask. While this prevailing assumption is something we categorically reject at Westland, there's no arguing the value of a thoughtful approach to maturation. Our commitment to using exclusively air-dried wood at Westland certainly makes us an outlier in the world of whiskey. While the effects of slow-grown and air-dried oak are well understood and embraced by winemakers, in whiskey, the vast majority still choose solely kiln-dried oak. In fact, at Independent Stave Company, the process and technique used to craft casks for Westland actually matches that used to make wine casks, not traditional bourbon casks. This is a holistic business, whiskey. To excel at it, we've learned that we need to care about and seek to understand as much as possible about every aspect. We share this belief with our friends at Independent Stave Company. The passion and pride they have for their work is on display at every step. They're as curious and ambitious as we are. Their appetite for new ideas and new perspectives is inspiring. The future of whiskey promises incredible possibilities if we all begin to invest ourselves in and accentuate the raw ingredients themselves. The oak that makes our casks should be no exception. While we pay more, substantially more, for our casks from Independent Stave Company, we do so because it is those differences that truly matter. Our flagship expression, American Oak, is a testament to this philosophy and to those who share it.